Hello everyone, so Matt Dilos here. So ang gagawin na natin for today ay magsasolve lang tayo ng derivative ng square root of x. So kapag na-encounter nyo to, meron tayong radical. So first na gagawin natin ay gagawin natin siyang exponent, itong radical side. So ang equivalent ng ating square root of x, kung babalikan lang natin yung mga discussion about sa radical to exponent, so alam natin na ang square root of x ay equivalent yan ng x raised to 1 half. So, pwede na natin siyang gawing derivative of square root of x. Gawin nating derivative ng x raised to 1 half. So, dyan, we can apply the power rule na. So, the power rule said that the derivative of x raised to n, it is equal to n and then x n minus 1. So, for this case, ang n natin is the 1 half. So, ilalagay natin siya in the front, 1 half, and then x, tapos 1 half minus 1. So, meron tayong 1 half minus 1. Ang gawin natin dyan ay subtraction siya ng fraction. So, kapag meron tayong 1 half minus 1, ito ay equal to 1. So, kukuhain natin LCD. So, ang LCD nila is the 2. So, meron tayong 2. Then, we have 1 this, and then 2 divided by 1, may 1 tayo dyan, so it is equal to 2. Multiplied by negative 1, magkakaroon tayo ng minus 1. So the answer for that, 1 minus, or rather 2. So meron tayong negative 1 half. So dito ay meron tayong negative 1 half, so therefore, it is equal to 1 half x raised to negative 1 half. And then, meron tayong negative exponent. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, pwede natin siya ibaba sa fraction side. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over 2 and then x raised to 1 half. Tapos, ito, pwede na natin siya ibalik sa radical side. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over 2 and then square root of x. So, this is simply our final answer for this derivative ng square root of x.